Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing all weather butter icing. All weather butter icing. Whether the weather is cold, whether the weather is hot, it's good to go. So, like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to this channel, subscribe so that you'll not miss any of my videos. Thank you. So guys, we are going to be making butter icing. You know, when you are making your butter icing, some will make it very thick, some make it very soft. So in this butter icing for today, I'm using 250 grams, and this 250 grams I'm going to use 500 grams of icing sugar. This is 500 grams. So I'm going to filter it, sieve it. I'm going to sieve it so that there will be no lumps. When you have a smooth icing sugar, it makes your butter icing smooth equally. So after mixing it, I'll add my color. Any color that you want to add, you can add it. In this video, I'm going to add green. I'm using green for it. So what I need to do now is to mix my butter. You have to mix the butter. You can add milk when you are mixing your butter, then add your flavor. Add your flavor. So, but here I'm not going to add any milk. I'm just going to mix it alone. I'll just add a drop of vanilla, just a drop. I have to mix the butter first. Mix it very well until it turns creamy, a bit white before adding the icing sugar. We're about to sieve the icing sugar. It's a must that you must sieve your icing sugar so that it will give you a smooth icing. See, there are some lumps. So for you to get rid of these lumps, you have to sieve it. So it is ready now. The butter is ready, so I'll start by adding my icing sugar. It is ready now. You can add any color of your choice, then do your decoration with it. See how smooth it is. Very smooth. Thank you. See you in my next video.